Hello, my name is Catalina Herrera, and I am part of the data science team that is leading the OSDU project at TIBCO. And today I will walk you through our first OSDU Spotfire app. This is a prototype that is consuming data from the OSDU platform hosted at AWS for revision 1 data, meaning we will see only data representing well logs, well bore markers, and well bore trajectory. Now, the behind the scenes of the application is what we call a data function in Spotfire, where we are pretty much hosting a set of Python scripts that are creating these data frames for us to consume these CSVs, JSONs, LAS, and all the files that are part of the OSDU platform. So the data function is allowing me not only the possibility to directly script in Python. We also support other programming languages, but right now we're using Python. And also to connect the input and the outputs for the script with the actual Spotfire analysis. So it's pretty much a user interface that is gluing everything together, and it's allowing you to use Python as the main communicator through the APIs. So the stage 1 to use this application in Spotfire and consume this OSDU revision 1 data is to authenticate. This is a OSDU project, therefore it requires credentials. Just check with your OSDU leader, and this specific example is targeting AWS. So after that, it has an OK here. The second stage is to zoom in and zoom out on the map to geographically locate the set of wells that you want to focus your analysis on. And after you do this, you are going to be able to get the well list for the project. So I'm going to click here. This is going to take a couple of seconds. There are a lot of wells located in that area. And I'm going to bring the list that is going to allow me to have a preview of all the wells that are available in the area that I just selected. Now, just keep in mind that not all the wells have data to display. So this may run into these kind of issues once in a while. Just close it and ignore it for now. This is a prototype. And what that means is that there is no specific data available for some of the wells that are being loaded at this point. So after this is being loaded, there you go. Now we are gonna use this filter to actually pick on a well that we wanna do an analysis on. I'm gonna just select a well specifically. So I'm gonna do, for example, this one. And once I have it on my table here, I will be able to check if I actually have all the data that I need from this well. So I'm going to select my well here, and I'm going to say, okay, give me the SRN. So what that means is that pretty much I will verify if I have additional information on this well to use the next set of tools to produce visualization using that well data and information. So my well was K04D. So what we're waiting right here, right now, there you go, is for this table to give me that well information. What that means is that from my wish list, I actually was able to find data for that specific well. And that's been confirmed by showing that well and only that well on the map here. Okay, now we are ready to move to our next stage, which is pretty much the visualization stage. So now we have confirmation that we have data for that specific well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and collect my LAS data to create my logs visualization, get my marker data and my trajectory data, and visualize them in a Spotfire. Super easy with embedded out of the box one-click visualizations. Now, what is the value added here? The value added is that we now have a set of tables that now is all related to the well that I wanted. So this is my well, K04D. Now I had a well list table, I have a marker data table, I have a trajectory data table, and I have a well log data table. So now they are framed and I can actually start additional data transformation or manipulation or use all the beauties that Spotfire brings as part of the menus using behind the scenes AI to identify correlations and so on. But this is going to start adding value at least as soon as we get more data as well. So this is only stage one of this application. We will absolutely love your feedback and stay tuned because we will continue to work on this application revision, the next revision, and we will continue to work with the cloud vendors on the test environments to keep enhancing the final user experience consuming all of these OSDU data. Thank you.